Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I would like to guide you how to make a house plan step by step in the dimensions of 17 by 20 feet. Guys, you can see these three sides are closed, only front is open to the road side. So I designed this house plan for one of my clients. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see the size is 17 by 20 feet. Width is 17 feet and length is 20 feet. Okay, this is width, which is 17 feet, and this is its length, which is 20 feet. Guys, you can see, so this is road side. Okay, three sides are closed, only front is open. The first one, guys, you can see this is the main entrance or main gate from the road side to this stair hall. This is main gate. Okay, so this is stair hall. This is stair hall. Size of this stair hall is 11 by 10 feet. Okay, this is the size of this hall. Next, guys, you can see here, this is a stair for first floor. Okay, this is up. So guys, the first one you can see here, this is the first one is, this is living room. Okay, this is the living room. Size of this living room is 11 feet 8 inch by 9 feet and 2 inches. So this is 9 feet 2 inches, this side, and this side is here 11 feet and 8 inches. This is ground floor. Okay, next, guys, you can see here, this is a door for this bath. This is attached bath for this living room. Okay, size of this bath is 5 feet 4 inch by 3 feet and 6 inches. This is bath. Okay, width is 3 feet and 6 inches, and the length of this bath is 5 feet and 4 inches. Okay, this one is, guys, open to sky for proper ventilation and lighting. Okay, open to sky. Size of this open to sky is, width is 4 feet. This is 3 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. Okay, guys, you can see here, this is window for this living room, and this is ventilation for this bath to this open sky. Okay, this is open. Now, guys, with the living room, you can see here, this is the place for kitchen. This is kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 9 feet 6 inch by 7 feet 2 inches. This is 7 feet and 2 inches, and the length is here 9 feet and 6 inches. 9 feet and 6 inches. This is kitchen. Okay, this is here you can see here, this is a dotted line can show you, this is the access from living room to the kitchen. Okay, this width is, guys, here you can see, this is 4 feet between the kitchen and stair hall, staircase steps. Okay, this is 4 feet width. As you can see, this is ground floor plan. On the first floor, guys, you can see the same design. So this will be the bedroom on the first floor, and this will be Also you can see this is the kitchen. So on the first floor you can also use it is a small bedroom or a study room, and this will be a bedroom. Guys, you can see, so this is a house planning and the dimensions of 17 by 20 feet. And here guys, you can see this is the window for this kitchen to the roadside. Okay, so same design you can find on the first floor. You can also make the steps, the window here for proper ventilation. Okay, because three sides are open, only front is three sides are closed, only the front is open. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.